How to recover your deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome browser. So first you want to open up Google Chrome browser and make sure you're signed into a Google account. So first you want to click on the three vertical dots and then go to settings. And in here you will have the option to sign into your account. Now if you're signed in already, you want to turn on sync. So you can click on sync and Google services. Then you want to click on manage what you sync and then make sure it's sync everything, or if you're using custom, make sure bookmarks is turned on right here. Now we want to go back and click on sync button right here if it's not already syncing. Otherwise, turn it off and turn it back on again to sync. And that will basically sync the saved bookmarks from your Google account into your browser. And then you can have them back if you go to all bookmarks, or you want to click on the three vertical dots and then go to bookmarks and lists and click on show all bookmarks, and that should bring back everything. Now if you still didn't recover your deleted bookmarks, or if you're having issues to recover them, a second solution is to right click on the start button, click on run, and in here you want to type %sign local updata, %sign again, and press enter. Now in this folder, you want to expand it and look for Google. Double click on Google Chrome user data, and then you want to go inside default folder, which is right here. Now you want to scroll all the way down till you see bookmarks. So you want to search for bookmarks file, and you will usually find bookmarks, and under it bookmarks.back, which is a backup file. Now what you want to do is basically save these somewhere else. So make a copy and probably place them in your desktop or whatever. Now you want to go back right here and rename this file. So you want to rename it to bookmarks_old, for example, like this. And you want to go to the other file and rename it and just remove the .back extension and basically save the file like that. And now you want to close this and restart Google Chrome. So you want to right click on the task manager, close it from here. Before doing that, if you cannot remove the files or rename them, you want to make sure it's completely closed. Then after modifying the files, you want to simply restart Google Chrome. And if you go to your bookmarks and click on show all, you should recover your lost bookmarks. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.